Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I have something very different than what I normally do. I started doing tables and repurposing furniture like many years ago. And I just want to show you guys this is very easy, simple, and it is cheap. It's cheaper than actually going out and spending hundreds of dollars on a table. I usually do marble, but this time we're going with a smaller table because we have a smaller area. So yeah, but the supply, what you say?
Doing ceramic tile this time.
Yeah, ceramic tile. We're going with ceramic tile this time. What you will need is what is this, huh? Because we usually do it with a door slab, and
Yeah,
this time
that's just like a 2x4. If you go to Lowe's, they have them like for $16.
well, we got he said a 2x4 for $16, and you can have them cut it if you go to Lowe's. I just measured our table and I just cut it down to the size of the table. I got the tile. The tile was only $1.50 a piece, and I only needed what, 16 of them. Yeah. And the stand with the chairs I found on Craigslist for a deal. We got it for only 35 bucks. I'm also going to do the chairs, spray paint the chairs, and change out the fabric cushions and everything, and you know, paint this all up. So what you need is, of course, you need your 2x4, you need your ceramic tile, you need liquid nail, because that's what you're going to be using to attach the tile or marble. We also use like the little mosaic tiles also, but yeah, we didn't do it. We're trying to be simple this time. And you need grout. I got sandpaper to sand, you know, like the edges. And you also need a liquid nail gun. So
I tell y'all what, if y'all like this video of what we about to do, I gonna get a bigger slab of wood, and we'll get the mosaic, and we'll get the other tile and redo it. But it all depends on how many views we get. If we get a lot of views, then we'll do it. I mean, it ain't nothing like $50, $60. I mean,
yeah, it's really cheap. The last time we did our table, it was huge. It's at 10 people, because like I said, we used the door. It's at 10, and I believe we did that one for like what, $200? Yeah. And it was marble, and it had the mosaic tile going down the middle of it. Everybody loved it. They came in, they immediately, their eyes went to our table, and they were like, "Where did you guys get this table?" We made it. We have made many tables. I also made one for my aunt as a wedding gift. Hers, I just fell in love with hers. I loved it. I still love it. Every time I go over there, I want to steal her table. But you guys get very creative with this. I'm gonna go ahead, and we're finally gonna get into this craft. All right. Right now. All right, go ahead.
This is something that you need. It's called liquid nail. And if you go to Lowe's, I think it's like $5, $6. And then the gun.
It's $5, $6.
The gun is $5, $6 too. I mean, you don't really need the gun, but I'm gonna use it because it's easy. Usually, I get a screwdriver and just push it down at the top.
Yeah, man. So
yeah,
I'm a woman. I don't want to feel like doing that. And you didn't get the scissors, like I told you.
Oh yeah, so we can cut this thing off. Yeah.
So you might as well just use the kitchen knife.
I got a scissor right here.
Okay, them aren't the good scissors.
Yeah, right.
It do matter.
Yeah, it do matter.
Get in the frame. Look at that. See?
What that knife is?
You cannot do this. I'm gonna show them. You cannot do this with cheap scissors, because it's not going to do.
We're about to see if you can do it with a Dollar Tree knife.
A Dollar Tree knife. Okay. Honey, this video already, you getting me. You making me go somewhere.
That's me in real life, bro.
Yes, this is real life. Yeah, so what you want to do is go ahead and cut the edge off. We should have already did this.
Don't cut your finger. No, it's him to cut. You know that thing go.
Alright, I'm going to let him do this. We'll be right back. Alright, we got the liquid nail open, and because we have, I'm going to bring the camera over here. And because we have the tile and it's in like a pattern, what you want to do is go ahead and get your pattern down first. And then what you're going to do is just pick up each tile one by one, put some liquid nail on the back of it, and pretty much you're going to just glue it down in place. That's what you're going to do. And it will be spacing. That is fine. That is completely all right. That is where your grout is going to go. You want the spacing there. Now, you can buy spacers from Lowe's, but y'all know we not professional. We not set up like that. we've done it before when we do other people's table, but for ours, we just, you know, hurry up and slap that thing on together.
Oh.
So,
Put it right up.
I'm going to wipe this table down first before I liquid nail it, and then I'm going to show you guys pretty much the process. Alright, you guys, my husband's getting ready to liquid nail the first piece down. Go ahead.
Alright. Just
Honey.
take it like this. Don't liquid nail it on this side.
Why
This
would
side.
anybody do that?
Man, it's people. We people. Alright.
Make sure you get your edge. Honey, that doesn't matter.
Yes,
That
it
does not. No, it
Take
does
it off.
not.
Take that off. Always take it off. Look here. You gonna let me make this? Oh, you gonna do it? Alright.
No.
So I always go like this. It's a lick on that. There she goes.
Yeah, make sure you get the edges.
Yeah. You know I done did it before, right?
Yeah, with my help.
Yeah.
You didn't do it by yourself.
No, I never did it. Yeah. Oops.
It's Putin. I think that's good, huh?
Yeah, I always do that. And then I throw a little down in the middle just so to catch it in the middle.
Alright. You did great. Let me wipe that off so it don't go on the carpet.
Yeah, let me see that. Let me see that.
And then what you want to do is line it up with the edge of your board.
Yeah. I'm gonna let you line it up. You line it
No,
up.
you do it. Come
Oh.
on, huh?
You should line it up. You know you line it up better. Alright, you gonna be mad. You gonna be like, that's off. You know that's how we always do it.
I'm not going to say that's off. And plus, it's not dry. This stuff takes
Yeah.
24 hours to dry. So I got plenty of time to move it into the place I
I'm
want.
trying to make sure the design match up.
Okay, honey. You got it.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You got it. Come on. Any day. Honey, you just had...
No, I did. I told you should have lined it up.
Ooh.
Like this, right?
No.
That's why I told you should have lined it up.
Honey,
See?
what is wrong with you?
You gonna do anything? Go.
No. No, I wasn't planning on it. Shoot. They can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. All you do is just move it into place now.
Alright.
Because like I said, you're going to sand down all your edges. Move it into place and push it down.
Yeah, see how that work?
Yep. And then I will come back with the whole grouting process once we get all of this done, you guys. Alright, you guys, we are done grouting. We are done liquid nailing the tiles down to the, what is this? The wood. I don't know what you want to call it. But we're going to let this dry. We're going to come back to it tonight and fill in these with the grout. So,
you have to let it dry.
yeah, you got to let it dry because if not, you try to grout it. These tiles are going to start shifting, sliding, and moving, and you don't want that. But, yeah. So, we will be back soon. Here, you use some paper towel?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, our tiles are dry. It is the next day. What you need to do before you grout it is you need to clean off your tile, you know, the surface, make sure it's clean. And we are using pre-mixed grout. Now, the pre-mixed grout is a little more expensive. This was $20 at Lowe's, I believe.
Buy that one.
You said buy it?
Yeah.
The one that I have it in gray because we painted our walls in the kitchen gray and everything else is pretty much like a gray silver thing. So it's going to be grays. As you can see, the spacing and the tile, like right here, this is where the grout is pretty much going to be at, where you will see the grout, where it's going to be visible. But all you need to do is just go ahead and apply the grout. Now it will be on thick. You will see it everywhere. It's going to be on there, caked on there, but after about 5 to 10 minutes, what you want to do is wipe it off. We're going to finish doing this, and then I'm going to show you how we apply it. Alright, you guys, as you can see, this is what it looks like.
Don't
Yes,
look a mess.
it is definitely going to look a mess, but what you want to do is you want to put it down inside of the creases and then use something to smooth it inside of the crease. And it is going to get all over the table, but that's where the sponge comes in. You know, after about 5 or 10 minutes of letting it set, you are pretty much going to wipe off all the excess grout.
Hold on, Mike.
Make sure it is all in, you know, all of the crevices. As you can see, we have a lot to go, but this is where we started at. So, and after this, we're also going to sand it. Once this dries, sand the edges down.
I ain't never sanded it, so my wife gonna do sanding.
Yeah, I'll probably do that part.
Yeah,
Alright, but I just wanted to show you that it is going to look a mess. Don't be scared. The grout wipes easily off of your tile, your marble, your mosaic, or whatever you choose to use. So don't be scared of that. I will be back to show you the finished piece. So as you can see, we are done grouting it, and the table looks a complete mess. That is pretty much what you want it to look like. But all of the grout is in, you know, the crevices, and we've done smoothed it out. So right now, the only process left to do is for you to clean off your table with let me see the sponge, honey. Yeah, you will need a big sponge like this to pretty much clean off the table with. And then I have what's this, a sand brush, like a edge detailing that I'm going to go around and do the edges with, buff the edges, you know, so that the kids don't hurt themselves, and even it all out. So don't be scared. Your table will look a mess. That is okay. That's what it's supposed to look like. It is totally fine.
Oh, terrible.
So I will be right back. We're going to wipe this down. Alright, you guys, this is the finished table with the grout in it. I love the way that it came out with the gray, can you see it? With the gray grout in between the lines. I freaking love it. So after the grout dries, I'm going to pretty much sand the edges. But if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.